Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sheena Jones. I found this brand new free app called Mizzou. I'm currently inside the app right now. I made a total of $40. How Mizzou works, you guys, is you make $5 for signing up and downloading the app and linking your bank card, and $5 per referral. It's basically just like the Cash App, you guys. Let's see, I'm going to show you guys my transactions. Click on transactions. I withdrew yesterday, you guys, $20, and I got my $20 deposited into my bank account this morning. Today is August 2nd. But I want to show you guys that I made $40. As you guys can see, 5. Oops, sorry about that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. $40, you guys. Now I'm going to show you guys my bank account. This is my simple bank account, you guys. You guys can see there, my name's Sheena Jones. And I'm going to show you guys the date. Today is August 2nd. And look at you guys. Right there. Main Street, Mizzou. $20. See the date, August 2nd. It got deposited into my bank account this morning, you guys. So it does pay out next day. So if anyone is interested in making a limited $5 100% free, comment with your email address or inbox me your email address. This is 100% free. The app is for iPhones and for Android users. I want to thank everyone for taking the time out to watch my video, and until next time.